Hello friends. Today I will show you the process of installing a glossy stretch ceiling with a floating ceiling effect. This effect is achieved by LED illumination of the ceiling around the perimeter. The stretch ceiling does not reach the wall by 2 cm and, in combination with lighting, this creates the effect of a floating ceiling. I will mount the profile above porcelain stoneware for its safety and ease of operation. The profile in the corner is sawn on a saw to the required degree. In this case, the profile must be cut at 45 degrees. The walls are brick, and I use a puncher to fix the profile. I install a profile with a fastening step of 20 to 25 centimeters. If the holes in the profile fall into places where it is impossible to make a hole in the wall, then make a hole nearby and fix the profile. Profile joints must be treated with superglue. To speed up the curing of the adhesive, I use a spray hardener. We process the corners of the profile so that the corner is not sharp and does not tear the canvas of the stretch ceiling. Degrease the inner side of the profile to which we will glue the lead strip. Glue the lead strip around the entire perimeter of the profile. We put the beginning of the lead strip with wires for power supply through the hole in the corner of the portal. We connect the lead strip to the wires at the beginning and see that the entire lead strip glows. Cut off the end of the lead strip in the right place and solder the wires. We check the operation of the lead strip by applying power from the end of the strip. Glue the end of the tape to the profile and push the wires into the hole in the profile. We connect a power supply to two wires at the beginning and at the end of the lead strip. The lead strip is closed with a translucent special plug. Without this plug, you can see all the LEDs even in the reflection on the wall. After installing a translucent plug around the entire perimeter, the light will be softer and more diffused. The LEDs are not visible. Let's compare the amount of light with 4 lamps or perimeter lighting. All corners must be sealed with aluminum tape so that the light of the LED lamp does not get inside the stretch ceiling. We fix the power wire to the profile. The bathroom will also have 4 lamps and 1 chandelier. Now everything is ready and I start stretching the canvas. In order for the canvas of the stretch ceiling to become elastic, it must be heated. Basically, a gas gun is used for this. Now we filled the canvas in the profile. For this we use special spatulas. You have to work in the heat and it's not easy. This is the beauty I got. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos. Goodbye.